Hi guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, I have been asked to leave my apartment I paid for. I don't know if you guys can hear me, and please, if you are hearing any background noise, please just bear with me. As you can see, my clothes are on top of the bed. Like, I don't just know what to do. What was the reason? Like, I asked them, okay, why did you guys ask me to leave the apartment? I don't owe you guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, I don't owe you guys house rent. I don't ask you guys to give me 1 week or even 1 day for me to look for my house rent. I pay 2 days before my house rent expire, or I pay 1 day before my house rent expire. So now in this apartment we pay every month. It's a service apartment. I was staying upstairs before, which is the studio apartment. Because the room was too small and my things were getting much, so I decided to move to 1 bedroom apartment. So I moved here on October 12, if I'm not mistaken, to this apartment. But the one I was staying upstairs before, I moved in November 16, 2020. So like I was saying, I moved to this apartment, the 1 bedroom apartment, because my things were getting much. And these people upstairs that always make noise, like, as they have a little kid, and they are always, it's like they are banging, and I'm hearing it because now it's upstairs and the roof is not a noise, how will I put it, it's not a soundproof, or if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if that is how I should put it, but I hope you guys understand. So I complained to the management and said, please, can you please caution them? The noise is just too much. I can't sleep in the morning. Like they are the one that always wake me up in the morning, and in the night, same thing. So to the extent that I have to record it and send it to the management and say, look at the sound I'm hearing, and it's getting too much. So they said, okay, that they are going to look into it. I said, okay. So I was waiting, and the noise was still coming, the sound was still coming, and it's just something else. So I told them, please, you guys didn't get back to me about what I told you guys. They said, oh, that I should be patient, that the lady that is upstairs is not around, that is a maid that is around. I said, okay. I was waiting, and I was like, okay, I'm paying this huge amount of money. If you're in Abuja, you will know that a service apartment in Abuja is not a child's play. It's very huge. Guys, I don't just know what to do, because I complained, they gave me two days to leave this apartment. So I asked them, okay, since I've already paid you guys, what about the refund? Like the days I've not, I didn't stay. They said they are not going to refund it, and the money is just too much. Like I'm so confused. Like I don't just even know what to say. I don't know what to say now. I'm going to start packing, and my things are just much. I didn't really expect this, guys. I'm so shocked right now. I didn't really expect it. Like, can't I make a complaint again about the noise I'm hearing? That gosh. I paid them their house rent. Like, I don't owe them any money. Like, is it not right? Like, is it right for me to complain, and so that they can caution the people upstairs? And they don't want to. So I called my fiance to tell him about it, and he said that why would they give me a short period to pack my things. Why didn't they give me 1 week? And he was so upset. He was so very upset that they behaved this way towards me. Like, guys, I came here 2020 and now it's 2022. I have been staying in this apartment for a year and some months. Like, these people can't even say, oh, she has been in this apartment and she has not really complained about anything, or do something that will make them to say, okay, like, she has not done that. They didn't even think about that. Like, I was like, if I was in another country, I don't think they will have to do it, because now they will have to give me, even if they want to do it, like, I don't need to call the management. I will just have to call the police to come and caution them. Like, Nigeria is just a lawless country. You can't talk if you don't have, like, the people that always talk here in Nigeria is people that have money. If you don't have money, you don't have the people at the top, guys, you can't say anything, you can't complain, you can't do anything. Like, imagine them chasing me out of the house because I complained. I'm still shocked, guys. I'm still really shocked. And now I don't even have anywhere to go than to go back to Benin. See, my clothes are on top of the bed. I need to start packing them. Like, I need to go back to Benin. I need to book for the logistics that will take my stuff back to Benin, then book for my flight to go back to Benin. And now, since I didn't book on time, the flight is going to be expensive for me. It's really going to be expensive. And the lady upstairs, they didn't do anything about her. Just imagine. They didn't do anything about her. They just, for them to go caution the lady, they decided to ask me to leave. Just imagine. And I came before that lady. Like, this world is just turning to something else, guys. It's turning to something else. Something like... If I should calculate the money I have is like paying for this apartment, like, if I want to build a house, if I want to use the money to build a house, I would have finished, I would have do the foundation to the needed level, put a roof, then I will know that, okay, the next thing that is remaining is the furnishing. Like, the remaining thing that is remaining. Like, I think they just want, like, I don't know how to put it, like, being nice does not really pay, guys. It does not really pay. Being nice does not really pay. Like, where will I even start from all of this? Where will I start from? Oh my God. I don't know what to do. I don't just know what to do. I don't really want to start crying right now because I don't want to show my weakness. It's just too frustrating, guys. Too frustrating. You're so wicked. Like, how can they do this to me? I didn't do anything wrong, guys. I'm not coming here to sugarcoat everything. Like, exactly what happened, that is what I'm just saying. And I wish I was wrong, I would have apologized. Because since I've been in this apartment, this is the first time I'm complaining about it. Because why I'm complaining is because I moved. Because now this apartment is the building is three-story building, So I'm in the first floor while the lady making noise the second. Then the third floor was the one I was staying when I came to this apartment newly. But I decided to come to this first floor, this 1-bedroom apartment, and I'm experiencing all of this. Like I was telling them that, but there was people living upstairs before. I didn't complain that they were making noise. I didn't complain. It's only this one I'm complaining now. You guys can't even help me solve the issue, like help me tackle it. Guys, I'm speechless. I just wanted to come here to it's a prank. It's a prank, guys. No one is going to chase me out of the apartment. I just wanted to prank you guys, and I hope it works. I know it's going to work on you guys. So the reason why I'm making this video, see, your baby girl is just happy. Like, I'm happy. I'm about to share you good news. Good news, guys. So I just booked my flight to Dubai, and I will be meeting my long distance boyfriend for the first time, guys. Like, I'm anxious, I'm a little bit shy, but I know we have been talking on video calls and all, but face to face we have not seen. So this is the first time I'm meeting him, and he's really coming from a very, very far place. Like, his flight is like 14 hours to Dubai. Is it 14 hours? Or it's like 13 hours to Dubai. So while mine is 7 hours to Dubai. So you can see it's very far. So I'm so happy. Like, I'm meeting him for the first time. We are both happy, and see, long distance relationship is not children, it's not a child's play. Like, if you don't have this I don't know how to put this, but guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You guys don't want to miss out on this trip. Like, I'm going to be shooting, like, I'm going to be carrying you guys along all my journey. And tomorrow I will be going to fix my nails, make my hair, and what else, buy my body cream and sunscreen, because now Dubai is really, really hot. Now it's really, really hot, so I don't want the sun to burn my skin. So what else? Ah, gosh, I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy meeting him for the first time. I'm so happy. And again, the flight ticket nowadays are so expensive. I wanted to book Emirates because I didn't book on time. I was supposed to book last week, but I booked this week because now my flight date is very, very close. My flying date is really, really close. Maybe that is why it's expensive. Gosh, so I wanted to book Emirates. So the guy that helped me on my Dubai visa, and again, we wanted to travel last month, but we could not make it. He could not make it, so he postponed it to this month, which is this week. So I applied for my Dubai visa last month, and it came out within 2 days. Yeah, let's say a day and a half. So the Dubai visa came out, and it's going to expire this month. And the one thing about Dubai visa is that the day you enter the country is the day it will start counting. So that is like the thing I love about the visa stuff. And again, like I said, I was about to book last month, but we postponed it to this month, which is this week. So, and I asked the guy to help me check Emirates airline from Abuja to Dubai. Guess what the guy said? 600,000 naira from here to Dubai. Hey, is that not a plot of land? I will see how much will I add to that money to buy a plot of land in Lagos or in Abuja. So moving to what I was saying, 600,000. So I asked him to check Ethiopia, because now when I was coming from Malaysia to Nigeria, I use Ethiopia, so I know Ethiopia airline is good. So I said, okay, can you check Ethiopia for me? And he checked it and said the money for Ethiopia was 351,000. I said, okay, book it. I sent him the money, and I was waiting for my flight ticket, the e-ticket. I was waiting for it. He didn't send it. So I messaged him again and said, I'm still waiting. And he said, oh, that they are still looking, because now the moment he told me the price was 351, and when he wanted to book, he forgot to lock it in. I was so pissed off. So when he wanted to book, the price increased to 390, almost 400,000, guys. 390. I said, why didn't you tell me? Like, I sent you this money 1 hour ago, and now I'm asking for my flight e-ticket, and you are telling me it has increased. I was so pissed off. I said, okay, please lock this one in now, because I don't want any stories whereby you tell me, oh, the flight ticket has increased again, because I won't pay. You will have to refund my money and let me look for someone else to help me book. And he said, oh, that he has already locked that one in, and they booked the flight. I sent him the balance. They booked the flight, and I got my e-ticket. So today I'll be printing out my e-ticket. I will be printing out my visa, and again, since I've already taken my 2 doses, my first and second dose of my vaccine, there's no need for me to do any PCR test, or what is it called. So I'm going to carry the card along, my COVID-19 card. Then what again? My yellow card, yes, is with me. So guys, that is it. I just I wanted to come and tell you guys the good news, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out on this trip. Yeah, because I'm going to be vlogging everything. Don't miss out on this trip. Don't miss out on everything. So don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is actually free. It's just the data. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the icon, the notification icon, to keep you updated, so that anytime I post thinking, you will be the first person to watch it. And again, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and again, don't forget to share my videos. Yes. So and again, if you want to know about the Dubai visa and all the agents I use, you can ask me in the comment section and I will reply you. This is not a paid advert, because why I'm saying this is because they know what they are doing. They know, you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, it's not a scam. They are going to book your ticket. They are going to apply for your visa, and they still do other packages. So mine was going to Dubai, so I don't need other packages. So that is the end of today's video. The next video you will be seeing is when I'm packing, and when I'm making my hair, and when I'm making my nails. Is when I'm making my nails. Don't skip this vlog, because I'll be posting back to back, like back. I have been planning for this trip for a very long time, like be planning for it. So the day has finally come. So guys, you don't want to miss out. And again, Emirates was supposed to be 7 hours straight from Abuja to Dubai, but now since it's Ethiopia, I'm going to stop at Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. Then from Addis Ababa I will go to Dubai, and it's 10 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours. You see the difference? That's why it's expensive. So guys, bye.